Hi, I'm Danielle from WTI, and today I wanted to tell you about this keyboard that makes working from home just a little bit more exciting. This is the MageGee Retro Typewriter keyboard, and one of the things that drew me to it in the beginning was the color. I love the silver and the white together, and I love the minimalistic look of it as well, and of course it matches perfectly with my office decor. Now, I will admit, because it's white, I was a little bit concerned in the beginning about it staining, from use. But I tell you, I've had it for over a year and it has not stained at all. Plus, it's easy to clean. So even if, it gets a little bit dusty or you spill some of your midday snack on it, it will be easy to clean. But the best part, just take a look and a listen at what the best part of this keyboard is. Did you hear that click-clackiness of that keyboard? And yes, I know that's probably not a word, but that's the best way I can describe it. It's so satisfying to the ear and to the fingertips. I also love the backlight options, which you can switch them up or you can turn them off completely if you're not feeling up to it. So, if you're looking for something fun and functional to add to your workspace, I definitely recommend this keyboard. And that's my point of view.